Welcome back, fifth grade. We are now going to plan and get started for today's lesson. Scholars, for today's lesson, you will need the following materials: your excerpt from Cleopatra by Allegra Charles Swinburne, sheet of paper, pencil, and a distraction free location. Now, remember, scholars, if you have questions about today's lesson, you can visit us in our office hours. Office hours for today only is at 12:30. Again, office hours for today only is at 12:30. Scholars, remember that we're one big learning family, all here to support, grow as learners, and make this virtual experience the best experience ever. Our vocabulary terms for today are line. What word? A line refers to a unit of language into which a poem is divided. Usually, lines of a poem or play are numbered. The word is line. What word? Stanza. What word? Stanza is a type of poem paragraph where all lines are grouped together. Poems can consist of one or many stanzas. The word is stanza. What word? We're moving. So, scholars, today's lesson, we are looking at a poem titled Cleopatra. In today's lesson, we're thinking, what does the poem say? Our focus today is to identify the literal meaning of each stanza in the poem. Today's poem will have a total of 4 stanzas. On your notes, I want you to go ahead and label today's date, May the 8th. This is lesson 14A. Our annotation and discussion prompt is, what does the poem say? Take a few minutes to get your notes together. So now that you have done that, as a reminder, we're going to read the poem stanza by stanza to find the literal meaning of each stanza. What are we looking for in each stanza? Yes, the literal meaning of each stanza. We're moving. So, scholars, in order for us to do that, we need to create a T-chart. On our T-chart to the left, it's just going to be labeled the stanza. So you're going to label stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3, and stanza 4. On the right, we're going to write in our literal meaning. We're writing in our literal meaning. I'm going to give you 1 minute to create this T-chart. Again, your T-chart should have a total of 8 boxes. The boxes to the left should be labeled stanza 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as we continue into our lesson, we are going to write the literal meaning for each stanza in our boxes to our right. Go ahead and take 1 minute. You are creating your T-chart. Thirty seconds. All right, scholars, so in front of you, you should have a completed T-chart labeled stanzas 1 through 4 on the left, and then space to write your literal meaning for each stanza on the right. We're moving. So, scholars, we have completed our review of vocabulary and our planning for today's lesson. Meet me in the next video.